Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to create some stunning animation designs and grab some eye-catching social network icons for your YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram profiles. So let's get started. First things first, head over to Google and type in video effects. Click on the first website that pops up. Once you're on the website, you'll see a plethora of templates to choose from. You can either search for specific ones or scroll down to explore the different categories. Today we're focusing on social media icons. Now, most of these templates are free to use, but there might be a few premium ones that require a small payment. Simply click on the YouTube subscriber banner. Write the username and subscribe count. Then upload the profile picture. After that, click on the crop option. Once you're satisfied with your design, hit the generate button. Some interfaces of this type will come here, but wait a little bit here. Now, if you want to download the template for free, you'll need to sign up for an account. Don't worry, it's quick and easy. After signing up, you'll receive 20 free credits to explore the templates. Now head over to the order section to claim your free templates. Click on the option and give it. The interface will let you download the pro version. To do this, you have to pay here. If you want to download for free, here you will be given the third number. Click on that option. Download the template. Simply click on the option and download the template. It's that easy. And there you have it, folks. Some incredible animation designs and social media icons for your YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram profiles. Did you find this video helpful? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching.